See that you've been learning, and when you get to shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump, that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block like you.
Hello. Welcome. Fix my camera. Hi. I have my sons with me. Nancy, say hi. Isaiah. Nancy, how old are you? 9. Isaiah, how old are you? 6. Alright. So today, we're bringing you the burping challenge. Let's see who can burp the loudest. So I got 2 sodas on deck. I got Pepsi and ginger ale Schweppes. This is my favorite, y'all.
Taste it.
I don't like the other one, Canada Dry. This one right here. That's my favorite. Alright, so we're gonna try Pepsi first, y'all.
Hey, a big Pepsi. Pepsi.
Ooh!
Sorry. Snooker crying.
She crying,
No,
Snooker.
she's not.
Sorry. Did you ever try your Cokie float?
I need to wait for everybody.
On a count of 3.
Okay, y'all. Ready? Let's go.
Ooh.
Whoa. Whoa.
I can't do mine.
Okay, Pepsi got a little kick to it. I think me and ooh,
Sound like Shrek. Now this one.
well, he gotta finish his Pepsi. Which soda y'all think gonna make us burp the loudest? Dark or light?
I think dark, because it's stronger.
Wait,
It's
no,
angry.
but alright.
I'll burp the
But
loudest.
ginger ale is made for the burp.
Comment down below who burped the
Ooh, look at that
loudest.
smoke.
Comment down below who burped the loudest.
Yeah,
Oh, I got burp on my. Couldn't do it.
alright.
It's gonna be a loud one too. You still just burp.
Wait for my cue.
Woo! Woo! It smells. Tell me if you smell.
I can't smell it.
Smell.
Smells all great, baby.
Smell like boo
Ready?
boo. Wait,
Go.
one more burp.
Alright, go.
Yo, ain't good.
Stronger. Here it comes. Woo! Alright.
Finish that whole thing.
That one made my eyes water. Woo! I won. I said, you gotta take big chug it. Chug it. Chug it. I think ginger ale is the winner. Yeah.
No, Pepsi.
I think ginger ale is the winner. Comment down below.
No, it's Pepsi.
Let me know who's the winner. Pepsi or ginger ale?
Pepsi, because it made me burp loud. Like, Pepsi.
Ginger ale made me burp louder.
I said, let's see your burp. Don't try to do it with your voice.
Ginger ale for me. Now, y'all know the rules, right? No burping out in public at restaurants. No burping while we're eating at the table because this is very rude. But not on this channel.
You guys.
Bye! Wait, y'all. Before we leave. Y'all know what to do.
Subscribe that button, like the button, and comment below.
Subscribe.